Hey guys, welcome back to HRG TV. My name is Ben. You know, on this channel we normally do dumb stuff, but today we're actually going to be doing some more cool stuff. We're going to do a lift kit on Ian's
2017 Mazda CX-5.
2017 Mazda CX-5. We're doing a 1.5 inch lift kit today. This lift kit will fit all the way up to 2022, I think, right? He's the Mazda expert around here. But
yeah.
And if you guys haven't noticed, he's really freaking tall. This is how tall I am next to him. He's like 17 feet tall. But anyways, Ian is not just a welder here at HRG. He's also a musician. And you are on, what platforms are you on?
Apple Music, Google Play, and Spotify.
King Wakefield, ladies and gentlemen. So check him out on those platforms. So I'll link to his information in the description below, along with the link to this lift kit right here. But with that said, I think we should get started on this. All right, we're gonna time doing the back because I have a feeling that this is gonna take no time at all. Predictions?
30 seconds.
30. No, I think it's gonna take me, well, I'm gonna guess conservatively and say 5 minutes it's gonna take to install the rear lift kit on this. But I do have a timer set up right here with a little camera. I'm gonna push start and see how long this takes. I already have the spacer ready. So here we go. Pushing start right now. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is take off the rear sway bar end link, which is a 14mm nut right there. You get lucky, it'll come right off. So there is a bit of luck involved here. All right, I'm gonna jack that lower control arm up. That's good, that's good. 17mm socket right there. All the way out. All right, lower it down. Okay. Take the spring out and put this just like that. Man, that fits good. All right, and just put it back in. Make sure you line up. Make sure you line up the coil with the indentation in the isolator. All right, jack it back up. Keep going. Keep going. I got this. All right, let me see if I can get it in there. A little bit more. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna just run the bolt back in. Okay, and then drop that down. And then reattach the sway bar end link. Okay. Alright, I would say that's tight. Okay. And time. 2 minutes and 25 seconds officially. So that's, when I say the rear is a 5-minute job, it's a 5-minute job.
Yeah.
To do both sides.
Boom. Second try. Good to go.
Good to go. Oh yeah. Beautiful. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps it up for the installation. It took about 2 hours to do, and as you've seen, the rear is like a 5-minute job. It's super easy. The front was actually pretty easy too. Not a lot to take apart there. Probably all in all, 2 hours if you're cruising. So if you're a shop and watching this, it's a 2-hour job. The car looks really good, and we've got some bigger tires on there. And actually, we need to talk about the tire size. So he's got a 245 65 17, yep. Right? Mm-hmm. And off-road tire on there, and it performs really well. And honestly, what would you say gas mileage?
We had 22, 23.
So for some context, this car was actually the test vehicle. We've done this installation a long time ago, and he's been driving this car for, gosh, it's been
over a year.
About a year now with this lift kit on, just to make sure that everything was good. Gas mileage is still not much less than stock, and I would account that for the larger tires anyway. So if you're concerned about gas mileage, which today everybody seems to be concerned with gas mileage, it didn't affect it that much. So there's really not a downside to it if you want to go off-road especially. So with that said, I really appreciate you guys watching to the end, and I'll see you in the next video. The world wants to
65,
know.
17.
How much?
245, 65, 17.
Okay.
I forgot my box.
It's a box. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.